Hello, everyone. Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team and Remax Results. And what's your best return on investment when you're getting ready to sell a home? That's going to be our subject today. Um, Recently met with a homeowner who I found this home for them about 5 years ago. And in this last 5 years, they did a bunch of work to the house, and they want to move on to another home. And some of the things that they did to this house were good. A lot of the things they did to the house were great, but they had in their mind that adding all new windows to the house and spending thousands and thousands of dollars when maybe they really didn't need to was going to increase their value of those projects, or that project in particular of the windows. They thought that was going to add at least 100%. They'd get at least 100% back on the cost. Not true. Um, so the subject that we're going to talk about today is, what is your best return on investment when you are updating your house and getting it ready to sell? We've talked about this before. The two best things that you can actually do are paint and flooring. And when I mean flooring, typically I'm talking about carpeting. Usually you're going to get about 100% return on those two items. The rest of the items that we're going to talk about today are HVAC system. That's a high return on investment, along with your air conditioning unit, your central air conditioning. That's a high return. That's going to be in the low 90s, if my memory serves me right. And what else we're going to talk about today, though, is I'm going to give you a link, and I'm going to give credit to this website, to a company called Remodeling by JLC. They have on this website um, a whole map of where you can get the best return on your investment depending on what part of the country you're in. So you can, if you're in the Twin Cities area, you can click on the Midwest and you can narrow it down to the Twin Cities area. And it has a whole list of the best things you're going to get on return on investment. And so this data is really important, I think, for resale value, because you don't want to put your money into a lot of projects that you're not going to get return on. Now, if you're doing this for yourself and your own satisfaction and you want to enjoy these updates for the next 3, 5, 10 years while you're in your home, great. I think you should do them because you're going to enjoy those updates, but you necessarily will not get a big return on investment. Couple of the other things that are high is replacement of vinyl siding. Now, keep in mind, this is vinyl siding. That return on investment is about 90%. So that's a good one. But in this link, in this website, they've got a whole list of things. And if you need any additional information, please reach out to me, because we can talk about what are the best things to do before listing your home if you're thinking of doing any kind of updates. So I'm going to put the link in the video today. And if you have any questions, I want you to feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks again for watching. My name is Mark Callender with the Callender Home Team.